Santa Clara Shipping Corporation. Right there. Almost like 5:41. We have reached the port over here. Just leaving the port. Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Past 31 hours we're traveling on the road trip almost 700 km. The last 60 km we have to use ferry to cross the island. Due to the overwhelming crowd, we couldn't get the ferry ticket immediately. We wait for the ticket almost like 12 hours on the roadside. That's the only drawback. Other than that, whole travel is very smooth. Right now, we are in Samar Island. We have to cross through another 300 km. It is going to take minimum 8 hours to reach over there. In between, we have to cross through a lot of bridge, airports and mountain. Most of our travel gone through the beautiful coastline road, which is nice. So you can enjoy the natural scenic view of Samar Island, which is mind-blowing. In this island, most of the population in the coastal area. Every 10 km you have to cross through the nice and beautiful town. The place we are going to visit located at Eastern Samar municipality of Lawaan. The barangay name is Maslog. It was a beautiful village. In this place, the climate you cannot predict. The tropical climate, you never know when it's going to rain. Either way, we reached Maslog 2 p.m. in the afternoon. It took 8 hours to travel the 300 km. When we reached Maslog, it was a cloudy day. I like to explore the beach area first. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you.
My name is Adrian.
Okay, not too close.
My name is Arvind.
My name is Jacob.
Hi, my name is Aga Sabulao. I'm from Manila.
Okay.
This is my friend.
So we are going to see the ducking spot in the ocean over there. We are going to explore that place. Since it's raining, we couldn't fly the drone right now, but we surely will fly the drone later. Look at the place. Wow. You want to say something? Say it.
Me.
Say it.
So guys, welcome to our vlog again. It's Life of Raj vlog. We're going to Pedi Road, and it's his first time coming there.
So what is this place name?
It's called Pedi Road right there.
That's fine, but what is this barangay name? So what is it?
Lawaan.
Lawaan? That is Lawaan, but this is, you start with the M. What? I don't know, I forgot the name.
Hi,
already.
Bo. Press.
Yeah, it's Maslog. Matea is here.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful flower. Look at that. It's nice. So if it is high tide, the water will come until here. Right now is a low tide. It's a low tide right now.
We're going to see.
We are almost there. We are going to have a first look at the view.
Yes.
I hope it's
Look
going to
at
be
the
like. I hope it's going to be fantastic.
We're going to fish. See?
Look at that. A small boat over here. I think it's low tide. That's why the boats are looks too high. It is low tide. Yeah, big mangrove forest over there. Wow, look at the place. Shelter can handle 50 people, and you can sit down at the same time. What's going on over here? They're taking bath. Follow.
Tabi. Pipicture siya.
It's okay. You can do your thing, normal thing.
Ano si Shy? Buwaya ka? He's Shy. Malok! He's Shy. Ano sabi ko?
This is Raj. Hey, look at that. I don't know why is there a house there, bro.
Very good jump.
Let's go back in the house.
You wanna go back in the house?
We're going to eat.
You wanna eat? Okay.
Yes.
Because I'm so very hungry. Nagutom.
4 minutos se encuentra el shooting. Pasó a mentira. Pasó a Nakamilang sa likod, nakagawang, nakasikin, jumpsuit, samurai, susut. Tangan ng pura nila sa tangan ng bola. Bumurute, nakasikin, nakasikin ko, nakasikin, lihat. Number 5. Lihat, banyak bola, nakasikin. Bonus putra for Sabula Arnold. Donald, sorry. Sarasa. Pagi begitu, pukul terus. Dia masuk ke dalam laluan, nampak. Bagus.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Thank you.
Number 15, jump shot, masuk, rebound, berlawan apa Gabus. Gabusnya Sabula sebelah, Napa beruntungan, Napa berlawan, Napa number 5, number 5, number 5, number 6, number 4 dengan jump shot. Ini masuk, berlawan ke Gabus. Number sana magkabilang panig. Ang ganda ng bulunsa. Pesalo na siya. Dapat terbiasa. Ini masuk. Sabula.